So in this Kayak.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to book hotels with casinos in them here on at Kayak.com. So once Kayak.com's opened up, what I want you to do is go to where it says stays and press on that. Then go ahead and select a city or a destination. So for this example, I will use Las Vegas. Because there's lots of hotels, obviously, that have casinos in them, and there's some that don't. So, Las Vegas, Nevada, I'll go ahead and press on that, select your dates, and if all looks good, go ahead and press on search. So once you're on this page right here, what I want you to do next is to actually just go to the top to where it says amenities and press on the drop down. Then just scroll down to where it says casino right here and make sure that that box is selected and then press on apply. Now, what you're going to be seeing is a refined search, so just showing you guys hotels that offer casinos in them here on Kayak. So, very simple, very straightforward. This is how to book hotels with casinos on kayak.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.